All right, it's mail day. Today we have a special delivery for, who's that?
For me.
For Benjamin. Say hi, Benjamin.
Hi.
So, yeah, this package showed up. There's Benjamin's name tag. Good job. And he has no idea what's in there. See how he reacts.
What does it say? There's one in there.
What is it?
I don't know.
What is it?
A toy?
I don't know.
It's like me.
Is it Lightning McQueen?
Oh no, you can't open it.
I don't know what it is. The suspense is killing me. What is it? Whoa, what is that? What is that, Pops? That's the one he's been waiting for. Let's see it. He had been asking and waiting for Luigi. And there he is. He had the Mario. And ever since he got the Mario, he's been asking for Luigi. And it looks like it just came. Look at that. Wow, I'm so excited. Let's take a close-up look.
I want that to be Mario.
Oh, wow. Let's see.
I will be.
They're going to race. Let's see. Let's do a race. Ready, set.
Oh.
Whoa, that was not a race. Let's roll them. You be Luigi, I'll be Mario. Go. Oh boy.
I can do it. Aww.
Whoa, it looks like they're fighting now. All right, that was a quick short video. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.